Okay, so I've got to do a quick video on table, fields, and records. I'll just use what we've got here. The tables, we've got three different tables, categories, clients, and inventory. So the tables are associated for items. You know, you might have a transaction table where you've got every transaction will be on that table. And then we've got fields, which for example is category is like the category name or the category ID. They're what's common across every individual record. In this case, Canon's got a record of category ID and Canon. Maybe more inventory will be a better one. So um, Acme Rocket has all these um, different fields. These are the fields. These are the records. And each individual record is so when somebody goes to the bank, they'll uses a bank card, they'll have a new record of the transaction they've done. And the record's going to have the time, which is going to be one field in the record. They're going to have who made the transaction, which is another field, which credit card was used, because bank accounts will sometimes have multiple cards, one for, because your wife might and husband might have individual cards. They'll have how much was used, how much was available, and they'll have these different fields associated with that one transaction or with that one record that was made. And then they'll have the table with all the transactions, and then I'll have a table with all the clients, which your name's going to show up under, because they'll have billing address associated with your name, but they won't have it associated with your transactions. And sometimes you need to know whether the billing address matches. And so they've got data divided into logical sections, and then each section's broken down to different fields, and every record's going to fill up several of those fields at a time. So we've got, just to review, we've got the inventory table. This whole thing is a record from Acme Rocket to the side. This is Malta's another record. Catapult's going to be another record. And each one of these columns is going to be a field. Malta has an inventory name field. It's got an inventory ID field. It's got an inventory image field. It's got an inventory price, and that's another field. I hope I was clear. Let me know if you've got any questions. I'll love to answer them.